Hello, my sweet little friends. Today we will learn phonic sound of Z. Are you ready? Let's start. What is the sound of Z? Z, 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 zebra. Z, zebu, zebu. Z, zorilla, zorilla. Z, zigzag, zigzag line. Z, zero, zero. Z, zither. Zither is a musical instrument. Z, zumba, zumba. Zumba is a dance form. Z, zinnia. Zinnia is the name of flower. Z, zucchini. Zucchini is a vegetable, green vegetable. Z, zil, zil. Z, zoom, zoom the picture. Z, Zeus. Zeus is the god of Greek. Z, zombie, zombie. Z, zoo, zoo of animals. Z, zenith. Zenith means peak, peak of mountain. Z, zit. Zit means acne, pimple. Z, zany. Zany means funny, humorous. Z, zeal. Zeal means enthusiastic, passionate to do work. Z, zest. Zest means excited and joyful. The zester. Zester is the pillar for citrus fruits. The zip. Zip. You know very well. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Today you learned the phonic sound of Z and finished all the phonic sounds A to Z. Thanks for watching and learning with me. Soon I will be back with my new session. Till then, goodbye. But before leaving, please subscribe, like, and share my channel.